Hi, welcome to the Numeracy 5-video answers for the 4th of April. In this video, if you need a hint on one particular question, here are some video numbers which might help you, so feel free to watch those videos in Corbettmaths and that might just be the hint you need. Otherwise, let's go through all the solutions now. So the first question. The first question says, what is the special name for this type of triangle? So as you can see, the two sides there and there are the same length, and we've got two angles of the same length, so it's an isosceles triangle. And let's try and get the spelling right. So that is Isosceles. Okay, our next question. Our next question is a time question. It says a film lasts 80 minutes. Well, 80 minutes, well, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So that's going to be 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. And then we've got 20 minutes more, so it's 1 hour, 20 minutes. That is the duration of the film. And it ends at 5:17:10, which is 10 past 5. What time did the film begin? So we're trying to find out what time the film began. So we want to find 1 hour and 20 minutes before 10 past 5. So going 1 hour before, well, that would be 16:10, which is 10 past 4. And then we need to go another 20 minutes before that. So another 10 minutes back would be 4 o'clock. And then another 10 minutes before that would be 15:50, which is 10 to 4. So what time did the film begin? 10 to 4. 15:50. We can try adding on the time and check it works. So adding on the 20 minutes, well, that'll be 10 past 4, and adding on the hour would be 10 past 5. Okay, our next question. Our next question here says, here's a number sequence. We've got 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And the question says, what is the next number in the sequence? Now in this sequence, the numbers are doubling each time. We're multiplying by 2 because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. So if we multiply 32 by 2, we'll find the next number, and that's going to be 64 by just doubling it. Okay, and our last question. Here we've got some lines, and the question says which two lines are parallel. So parallel means that they go in the same direction and will never meet. So as you can see here, lines 1 and 2 will meet because line 2 eventually will cross line 1. But lines 3 and 4, they're going off up this way and they're parallel to each other. So lines 3 and 4 are parallel. Okay, and the next question says measure the length of line 1. Now this obviously will depend if you've printed it, what size you printed it, and so on. But I've got a ruler here. And we're just going to measure line 1. So obviously make sure the ruler is in line with it. It's going along it. So I've got the 0 there at the very beginning of the line, and it's gone all the way along. So it's gone 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters. It's gone past 6.5. I would say that's 6.6 centimeters. So my line is 6.6 centimeters. But again, that will depend on how you've printed your work.